Good morning, it's Mike Oaks of Rockaway. We're out here in Sawgrass in Tifton Cove. It's one of the properties we maintain. What we got going on today is drainage. So, we're in Florida, there's a lot of water. So what we're trying to do is just evacuate all the water from these little condo areas here. So back here in the backyard, we pretty much excavated all the dirt out because he had lots of humps and lumps from previous installers. They did a very poor job of what they did. So what we're doing is we're coming in and we're gonna make it excellent. So me and the crew, we cut all the sod out in the backyard. We're literally gonna get a nice grade to the swale that's existing out here on the golf course. If you see a drain box close to your house, it's usually not a good sign. With them, they had the lowest point literally at the patio. So that's a no-go. That means water's gonna be flowing back into the house. So we have, believe it or not, 6 inches from that patio to the swale of fall. So it will look flat, but it does have a pitch. It's gonna be all back sod again. So we're gonna do a hard sewer and drain pipe out front. It's a smooth pipe inside. It is perforated, but it's a dual wall. So outside is perforated, but inside is nice and smooth. They just have drainage that literally goes down into the ground, and then it has a lot of humps and lumps in it. So with drainage, we gotta have a positive flow away. They literally just dug a little channel and threw some pipe in it and said it was good, and it's not good. So we're gonna fix all that also. That way everything goes down the drains, downspouts, and evacuated out to the boxes. And there's a few things that are a little bit more complicated, like installing the sub pump and getting it evacuated out further, because where they have it draining now is literally in the middle of the yard. So we're gonna cut the whole entire parking lot 3 foot wide, and we're gonna add a 6-inch pipe throughout the whole entire area there. So we're gonna go from 4 inches to 6 inches just to escape everything out to the wetland area on the golf course on the far side of the property. So you won't have really any water besides what's back here coming to the boxes, but out front, everything is gonna be evacuated out to the golf course. We dug a 1 foot by pretty much 1 foot all the way around all the footer around the whole entire property. So what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna put a rubber membrane down to help keep water from penetrating through the concrete and into the slab. This will not fix what's underneath the slab, but this will keep future water from getting into the areas that are most vulnerable. Anything that you need, give us a shout and we'll figure it out.